You can see here that I am taking my Sara Lee pound cake and I am just cutting it into smaller cubes, just like so. Oh my goodness, look at how spongy and tasty that looks. I'm just gonna cut these down. Perfect, and one more section right here. That looks great. Once you're satisfied with that, you'll come right over and just toss those right into your baking dish, you guys. We're gonna slide that back over here. This is going to be so delicious. Go ahead, evenly distribute that cake right on the bottom there. Oh, that looks so good. Then you're gonna grab your favorite berries. I couldn't decide, so I just decided, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go with triple berry. Now you could use a couple cups or you could use an entire 16 ounces. I'm gonna use this whole 16-ounce bag here of mixed berries and pour those right on top of that pound cake. Woo-wee. We are crushing it over here today, guys. Bring in your bowl now, and you bet it, we're gonna add 8 ounces of cream cheese right inside of there. We'll pair that up with a half a cup of sugar. We're also gonna add 6 eggs and 1 whole cup of some whole milk or heavy cream, your choice. I normally go with whole milk, but what do you use? Carefully and quickly, we'll start to mix that all together. You'll notice it'll make a difference once that cream cheese really starts to blend in together with the eggs, along with that granulated sugar. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good, you guys. I really wanted to come up with a fun and easy summer breakfast treat here, and I think that we just made a home run with this one. So I'm gonna continue this, whipping all of this together until I have a nice smooth consistency. Everything is looking mixed up and delicious, and you can see all those little air bubbles in there. That's just gonna make those eggs nice and fluffy and phenomenal. So we're gonna grab back in that pound cake with those berries, and check this out. You guys are gonna add all of this tasty mixture right in here. Oh, let's give it a go. We're just gonna pour it all over the top. Ooh, look at how satisfying that is. Just moving that all around. Holy cow, that looks amazing. Now, this is a very important part, you guys. We are gonna kind of shift this together and let it sit for about 10 minutes before popping it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, and you guys are gonna love this easy breakfast treat. So our tasty breakfast little dessert casserole is almost done there. And I'm gonna make a really easy topping here. So I'm gonna pour about, I'd say, a cup of powdered sugar right into my container. And then I'm gonna pair it up with just a little bit of milk. Now I'm gonna add little by little. Once again, you guys, I don't really have total exact measurements on this. I just like to add at least a cup of powdered sugar. Then I'll start with a little bit of milk, and look at that. You mix it all together and you start to get the most, oh, something's done. All right, good thing, right? It means that our breakfast casserole is done in the oven. I don't know if you heard that ding, but perfect timing here because we are almost done whipping this together. Now at this point, if you did want to add a little bit of vanilla in here, you totally could do that, but I am just gonna kind of keep it a little bit simpler today and just go with the milk and along with that powdered sugar. And once again, just mix it until the consistency that you like. This right here is exactly what I'm going for, so that looks great. This looks so good. Oh, look at those berries and that pound cake. I am so stoked about this one, you guys. Now, even better, remember that frosting that we just made? Oh, we're gonna pour that right over top and just glaze all of the top of those berries. Look at that, just folding in a little bit of powdered sugar and milk, pairing perfectly with the eggs and the berries. Do you see how it's just dripping into that where that pound cake is? Oh yeah. Now, of course, I'm gonna put some right over the top, and then I'm gonna set this to the side, so then that way, if anybody wants any extra, they can have that with their breakfast. I have waited long enough. I think you have too, right, David? And patiently, oh, look at this creamy berry goodness. I cannot wait to get this right out of here. I'm gonna take this piece right here in the front. Oh, let's just get that out. Oh yeah, all of those berries and all of that cream right in there. Tell me that does not look extremely satisfying. We have all of these berries in here. Oh my gosh, with the cream cheese. Oh my gosh. Wow. No joke, I'm not just saying this. This is by far my favorite sweet breakfast casserole I have ever made. Hands down. Holy cow. Babe, wait till you try this. I feel so bad just scarfing this down, but amazing. Amazing with the topping. It's just the right amount of sweetness on the inside with that cream cheese, those berries, the pound cake. Oh my gosh, it's like a sweet French toast. I can't even, just deluxeified right here, you guys. I give this a 10 out of 10. And you can take my word for it. You will not be disappointed if you try it. I will put my word on it. So let me know if there's anything that you're gonna switch up. I don't think there is, but tell me what you guys think. Don't forget, the recipe link will be in the comments, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful summertime. We'll see you later. Enjoy.